Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on your Asus ROG Phone 6. So as you can see, if we move to the left on our device, on the home screen, we'll see this Google Feed, and if you want to disable it, simply scroll down your two fingers like this. Here, make sure that you're editing the first page, because you'll be able to see Show Google Now. Now click on it, and that way you'll disable Google Feed, and now if we go back, we won't be able to reach it. Now to enable it back, do the same motion, and then enable Google Now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.